This is Sissy Taylor. My hair's a mess. Let me fix it real quick. But I will be singing Climax by Usher. I know, look at my muscles. I'm so strong. Yeah, I know. Guns. Oh snap, they're really hard. Um, um, did I say I was singing Climax by Usher already? Yeah, I think I did. I'm saying it again. I'm singing Climax by Usher. And I really like this song a lot. I think it fits my voice really well. And I hope you like it. Don't cry in the corner. But here I go. Going nowhere fast, we've reached a climax. We're together, now we're undone. Commit, so we choose to run away. Do we separate? Oh, wanna give in, so we both gave up. Can't take it back. It's too late, we reached the climax, climax. I've fallen somehow, feet off the ground. Love is love that keeps raining now. Where are you now? When I need you around, I'm on my knees, but it seems we're going nowhere fast. We reach the climax. We're together, now we're undone. We're coming, so we choose to run away. Do we separate? Oh, the one that gave in, so we both gave up. Take it back, it's too late, we reached the climax. Climax. That's it. So I'm singing that song. Pretty sick right now.